A common sort of problem in standardized tests is something that talks about inequalities, right? It has these less than or greater than signs, but there's no numbers anywhere, or very few numbers. Like all this stuff right here, this looks terrible because you don't have any real world things that you can relate to these A's with. So I'm going to cheat on this problem. I'm going to take care of the issue that's so scary by replacing A with something that follows the rules of the problem. It has to be greater than 1. That's it. Just pick anything greater than 1. So how about A equals 2? Just make it up and put this in here now. And I'm going to say, what is negative 2 to the negative 1? Okay. What is negative 2 squared? And what is the absolute value of 2? Okay, so let's work on those. And just in case it isn't clear where I'm getting those things, that's me saying this. Negative a to the negative 1 equals. Okay, that's negative a squared equals, and that's absolute value of a equals. So what's negative 2 to the negative 1? Well, that's just negative 1/2. Okay, and that's negative 0.5 if you like decimals. And this next one is negative 4, right? We square 2 and then we turn it negative. And the absolute value of 2 is just 2. So look through this list, and if you notice one thing, you should notice that A, the absolute value of A being 2, that's the only positive in my list here. The others are negative. So in my choices, I better see absolute value of A on the right, like this one, like this one. The others are all broken because those have an absolute value of 2 less than some of the other values. In other words, positive less than negative. That's not going to work. So it's one of these two choices. And now I just need to figure out which one has, let's see, which one has this as the least right here. Okay, that's negative a squared all the way on the left. And there's only one answer that I have. So this technique may feel a little cheaty, like can we get away with it? Sure, as long as you pick a number that's greater than 1 and follows the rules that we started with at the beginning of this problem. Okay, as long as you obey that condition, you are just